Uh. Yeah. Ballin'. Tryna get this paper. I don't see these haters. Feds watching. I don't want a case. Stack this paper. Do this real estate. Ballin'. Feeling like a Laker. LA crib. Yeah, right by the Lakers. Couple cribs. That's a lot of paper. Couple cribs. That's a lot of demons.
Alright people, back here for another vlog. Right now we're still working on the outside of the downtown compound, and there's 3 staircases on this house. And I'm actually going to add one, but to be honest, 2 of the 3 staircases that are here are pretty pointless. So one of the staircases leads to an upstairs area on the outside. There's 2 doors, one upstairs door, one downstairs door. And those 2 doors are now going to be, the upstairs door is actually going to be the closets and master suite. So we don't need that door. So we're going to close that up. Downstairs door is going to be to the second apartment that's on the house. So we're going to close that up. Now there's a staircase, which I probably showed you in the last video, that leads you to the upstairs door. So being that we don't need it anymore, we're getting ready to cut those stairs. So if you've never seen stairs get cut out, I can show you now.
Yeah. Ballin'. Tryna get this paper. I don't see these haters. Feds watching. I don't want a case. Stack this paper. Do this real estate. Ballin'. Feeling like a Laker. LA crib. Yeah, right by the Lakers. Couple cribs. That's a lot of paper. Couple cribs. That's a lot of demons. I'm going all in. 3 whips. Yeah, they foreign. You know what I mean? Tryna get it. That's a lot of green. Yeah. You know what it is. When we talking biz, if you talking paper, then you hit my line. Hit that number, I answer all the time. Counting big numbers. I need a big summer. Pandemic, man, I lost 100. Switching hustles, made another 100. Ballin', tryna get this paper. I don't see these haters. Feds watching. I don't want a case. Stack this paper. Do this real estate. Ballin', feeling like a Laker. LA crib. Yeah, right by the Lakers. Couple cribs. That's a lot of paper. Couple cribs. That's a lot of demons. Need a detox. Queens, nigga. No believe now. Big talk, big play. Show me what you live.
That's how you bring down a set of stairs. Catch up on the next vlog. Subscribe to the channel, like those videos. Flip Your Work TV. Yeah.
No ice in the bezel. Keep it moving. Hit 'em with the hezzy. Swish, swish. Feeling like I'm Reggie. Ballin'. Tryna get this paper. I don't see these haters. feds watching. I don't want a case. Stack this paper, do this real estate.